2019 Chevy Silverado. Which engines are available with each trim level? The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado engine lineup has finally been revealed, with a grand total of 6 making their way behind the all-new Chevy pickup's redesigned fascia. We've highlighted in depth the all-new 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and new 5.3-liter V8 with dynamic fuel management (DFM), which will be joined by a mostly carryover 4.3-liter V6, a 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management (AFM), a 6.2-liter V8 and a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel inline 6. There are 3 transmissions. They are 6, 8 and 10-speed automatics. Plus, these various powertrain options will be spread across 8 trim levels: work truck, custom trailbus, RST, LT, LT trailbus, LTZ and high country. Not every engine and trim level are available together, so to help ease any confusion, we've broken down which engines go with which transmissions and fuel management systems, and which of those can be had on each trim. We'll start with a chart showing the different trims and powertrains. Following this chart, we should explain the engine and transmission pairings. A 6-speed automatic comes with the V6 and the 5.3-liter V8 with AFM, the current cylinder deactivation system, that can run on all or half the cylinders. For the turbocharged 4-cylinder and the 5.3-liter V8 with DFM, it can run on any combination or number of cylinders. Only the 8-speed automatic is available. The 6.2-liter V8 and turbo diesel get the 10-speed automatic. Of additional note, the 8 and 10-speed automatics also get a unique damper for reducing vibrations from the cylinder deactivating gas engines and the non-deactivating diesel. The different trim levels feature different powertrain combinations, but most also have different styling. As such, we've also included images of each trim level below, in order to decide which you prefer. They are in order from lowest trim to highest.